Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Adobe Illustrator. And in today's video, I will show you on how to enable auto saving of recovery file or document in your Illustrator. This is one of the important settings you need to take serious when you are using Illustrator design, should in case your software crash or you miss some files. Let me show you how to automatically save your file in the recovery data folder. So the next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead. We come to the top right here. We make sure we click on edit. Then we have to come down below right here to preferences. Then we go to general right here. Then at this point here, what we want to do right here is to make sure we navigate to file handling. So under the file handling, you have under the file handling right here, what you want to do here is to make sure that automatically save recovery data. Make sure you check this. And the next thing you want to do here is to make sure you click on choose file right here. And then here you have to choose a specific folder for data recovery of your Illustrator. So I'm going to take this to my desktop right here, and I will make sure I open a folder for that. So I'm going to use my backup file right here. So I'm going to use this backup original correct file. I will click on select folder. So which simply means that all my recovery data file is going to be found in that particular folder that was selected on my Windows PC. So right here, come down below right here when you are done with settings, click on OK, and it's that simple. So if you are designing or you are creating any project with Illustrator, you will definitely see your data recovery file should in case you lost some file when you are using your Illustrator. It's that simple. So this is one of the best settings you can give to your Illustrator to avoid file loss as far as your Illustrator software design is concerned. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.